Eka Shwada binti Zulkifli, AS 11283.
I am Nur Ardini binti Masofi, AS 11244.
Okay, so we're going to be your teacher for this particular topic, which is ecological of communities.
The outcomes for this topic are recognize the features of a biological community and species richness. Next, describe the factors that define an organism's ecological need within its community. And the last one is identify how the interactions among species organize a community.
So, community is as an assemblage of populations of different species interacting with one another in the same environment. Meanwhile, the species richness is simply a listing of the various species found in that community. A species need is determined by both abiotic factors such as climate and habitat, and biotic factors such as the competitors, parasites, and predators. So ecologists like to distinguish between the fundamental and the realized need. The fundamental need comprises all the abiotic conditions under which a species can survive when adverse biotic conditions are absent. Meanwhile, the realized need comprises those conditions under which a species does survive when adverse biotic interactions such as competition and predation are present. Therefore, a species' fundamental need tends to be larger than its realized need.
There are three types of interaction between organisms. The first one is competition, the second one is prey-predator, and the last one is symbiosis. As for symbiosis, they are divided by three, which is commensalism, mutualism, and the last one is parasitism.
Ecologists formulated the competitive exclusion principle, which states that no two species can indefinitely occupy the same niche at the same time. Next is resource partitioning. So, resource partitioning is the division of resources in order to decrease competition between two species. For an example of resource partitioning involves owls and hawk population. Owls and hawk feed on similar prey, which is small rodents, but owls are nocturnal hunters and hawks are diurnal hunters. Nocturnal hunters simply an animal that active at night. Meanwhile, diurnal hunters are simply an animal that active at the day. Next is the character displacement. Character displacement is the tendency for characteristics to be more divergent. For an example is swallows, swifts, and martins all eat flying insects and parachuting spiders.
The second one is prey-predator interaction. Predation occurs when one species organism called predator kills the prey. Parasitism is can consider as predation. The presence of predator can decrease the prey population. As you know, symbiotic relationship have three types. The first one is parasitism, the second one is commensalism, and the last one is mutualism. For parasitism, one of the species causes some harm to other but doesn't attempt to kill it. Small parasite tends to be endoparasite, which is a heartworm. For larger parasite tend to be ectoparasite, for example leech. Effect of parasite on the health of the host can range from slightly weakening them to killing them over them. The second one is commensalism. Commensalism is a symbiotic relationship in which one species is benefited and other one neither benefited or harmed. The example of commensalism is shark and remora and barnacle on whale. The last one is mutualism. Mutualism is symbiotic relationship in which both members benefit each other. They often help each other to obtain food or avoid predation. For example, clownfish and sea anemone.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching. See you next time.